that was the reason. That is why the department went back in lot of organizing. Nowadays, I assure them money space available with them. So many we have 106 playgrounds in Goa. It is the only state, and I'll tell you, these days many people they go and they pick some point where it is broken. That's okay. Goa has such a beautiful infrastructure. You go across India, we have at 10 kilometers complexes, 14 complexes, 106. Yes, maintenance has been key issue, and it's not easy that it can be maintained all at a time. We take the responsibility, but at the same time, there are so many good things also have been done by the Department of Sport that also need to be appreciated. So hockey will take further. We have got the money transferred to them. National games things have been settled. Lot of things were going on for the last 3 years. So, although it might have not come in the media, but they have got that. We are starting.